And ready for you to talk.
Okay, let's call somebody else in the meantime. Alante Jones.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, calling case SP 108-73271, the people versus Alante Jones. One kind of driver's license expired. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jones. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Alante Jones.
Your Honor, my client wishes to plead to failure to display.
Okay, I'm going to dismiss this because it was during the pandemic. People did not have access to the Secretary of State. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
We stipulate.
Hey, Mr. Jones, I dismissed your case. Set up an appointment to get your license renewed and in order, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good day.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Somebody's not on mute here. Cynthia Johnson. Oh, Mr. Lewis Jones. Hold on, Ms. Johnson. Mr. Lewis Jones, can you hear us? Okay, Ms. Johnson, let's call you better. Calling case 246058, the people versus Cynthia Johnson. No operator's license. Operating insured motor vehicle. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer, you said Cynthia Johnson, Your Honor. Is that who you called?
Yes.
Your Honor, Allison Fulmer, appearing on behalf of Ms. Johnson. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Cynthia Johnson.
Your Honor, respectfully, my client wishes to enter a plea to failure to display, asking the court to dismiss the unregistered, untitled motor vehicle.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have the opportunity to speak to Attorney Fulmer about your case today?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand, Ms. Johnson, pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes, I do.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
And I'd like to bring your attention to July 17, 2016, around 10 o'clock p.m. in the area of 7 Mile in Biltmore in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2007 Chevy Blue vehicle without an operator's license on your person?
Correct.
That's right, Your Honor.
Okay, I will dismiss the remaining count. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
We stipulate.
Okay, and Ms. Johnson, I'm going to waive your fines and costs due to the pandemic and bring your balance to zero with the court on this matter, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
Would I be able to get my license reinstated?
Did you post a bond?
Yes, I did.
How much?
200.
I will apply your bond to your reinstatement fees and then have the balance returned to you in the mail. And that should get you started with getting your license back as long as you don't have any other outstanding tickets.
No, I don't have any other outstanding tickets.
So as I told Mr. Johnson, the last gentleman, just wait about a week before you try to go to the Secretary of State to get your license back in order, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right, you have a good day.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Kiana Jones Williams.
Yes.
Calling case 10120. The people versus Kiana Jones Williams. One count of driving an untitled vehicle. Appearance?
Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Ms. Jones Williams. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Kiana Jones Williams.
Your Honor, this is a matter where either I need to perhaps speak with the prosecutor or if there's, I'm sorry, if there's any other way I could ask for a dismissal of this matter. Otherwise, we'd ask the court for not guilty trial date.
I can offer improper place with the MOU. Their trial date works.
So Miss Jones Williams, improper play is 0 points and it doesn't get reported to the Secretary of State. Do you want to just go ahead and take care of it that way?
Sure.
Okay. She wishes to avail herself of that offer, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Jones Williams, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, no truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Fulmer about your case today?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring your attention to July 9th, 2019, around 3:36 p.m. in the area of Shoemaker and LeMay in the city of Detroit. We operated a 1975 white Mercury vehicle without registration.
Yes.
Satisfied?
That's right, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Jones Williams, did you post a bond on this case?
Yes.
Okay, how much?
$240.
Okay, I will, just like I've been doing with everyone else. So everybody listen, it's not up right now. It's pretty much the same thing I'm going to do. I'm going to apply your reinstatement or your bond to your reinstatement fee and have the balance returned to you in the mail, okay?
Okay.
And wait about a week to check with the Secretary of State to see the status of your license, okay?
Okay.
You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, you are all set. You have a good day.
You
Thank
as
you.
well. Thank you.
Thanks. Okay. Nikisha Jones,
Yes, yes,
okay. Calling case P994970. Count 1, using loudspeaker without permission or unreasonable noise. Count 2, no insurance. And U 345-75416, entering without owner's permission. Parent?
Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Ms. Jones. Please state your name for the record, please.
Nikisha Jones.
Your Honor, I would ask the court if the court would allow my client to plead to loud noise under a delayed sentence where it's a dismissal upon payment, and reduce the no insurance to improper plate and dismiss the entering without owner's permission.
I got something better.
Okay?
I'm looking at the face of the ticket. There is no account for the using a loudspeaker. There is no statute or ordinance on here.
We move.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No, you said you were going to move for dismissal.
Yeah, I was going to move for a dismissal. The ticket is facially defective.
Okay, I will grant that motion. So you're left with the 2 counts. I can do improper plates for the no insurance count.
Okay, very well. We'd like to do that, Your Honor.
Okay, so Ms. Jones, you're going to end up with 1 count of improper plates, and that's 0 points. And I've been waiving fines and costs due to the pandemic, so you'll leave out here with 0 points and $0. Do you want that offer?
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, $0 to pay, not $0 in your pocket.
Right.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Fulmer about your case today?
yes,
You can put your hand down. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
no,
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes,
You understand pleading guilty today will waive the right to a trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
I didn't hear you.
Knowing that you're waiving that right to a trial, do you wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to May 23rd, 2019, around 8:46 p.m. in the area of Connor and Claire Point in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2008 Chevy white vehicle without insurance?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will amend it to improper plates, dismiss the remaining counts if there's sufficient probable cause.
We stipulate.
Okay, Ms. Jones, as I just said, I'm going to waive your fines and costs. Did you post a bond?
Yes, ma'am. For all 3 tickets, I paid $580.
Okay, I'll have that, bond applied reinstatement fees and the balance will be returned to you in the mail, okay?
Okay, and I will be able to get my license. You said wait about a week to go to Secretary of State?
Yeah, they'll have time to enter the information and
I
be
see.
processed.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're all set. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You are welcome. Okay, Jatara Jones,
Yes.
calling case 13489-501, no insurance, count 2, no operator's license in possession. Those are in warrant status. 706472, driving uninsured motor vehicle, no operator's license in possession. And that is it. Appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Ms. Jones. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Jatara Jones.
Your Honor, respectfully, I would ask that the court allow my client to plead to, I think, improper plate only.
Okay, so with the warrant status, 2 counts, I'm going to dismiss those because they're 2013 cases, so I can dismiss on the age of the ticket. So she's left with the uninsured and no operator's license in possession, and yes, she can plead to the 1 count of improper plate, which is 0 points, Ms. Jones. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay. Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Fulmore about your case today?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Jones, I'd like to bring your attention to November 15th, 2019, around 6:30 p.m. in the area of Livernois and Tyler in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2009 Chevy vehicle without insurance.
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will amend the charge to improper plates, which is 0 points, and dismiss the remaining count if there's stipulation of probable cause.
We stipulate.
Okay, and Ms. Jones, as I told everyone, I'm waiving fines and costs today due to the pandemic. I will apply your bond to your reinstatement fee, balance will be returned to you in the mail, and wait about a week to go to the Secretary of State so that we have time to process, or the Secretary of State has time to get the information that we process, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have any questions?
I can't hear you. No, I couldn't hear what you said.
I was just saying, do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you have a good day.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you. And Mr. Jones, welcome back.
Oh, thank you.
Once we take off, my plan shows 3 hours
Can you hear
and
me?
9 minutes to come to touchdown. Have a nice tailwind that should put us into Detroit a bit early.
I'm sorry.
We'll depart, fly right over the Grand Canyon and Lake Powell, across the Rockies near Colorado Spring, Colorado.
Okay, let's take care of Mr. Alante Journey. Calling case P 970-071, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, count 2, no insurance.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Allison from appearing on behalf of Alante Journey. Please state your name for the record, sir. Alante Journey.
Yeah.
Okay, good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm sorry. Again, good morning, Your Honor. Allison from appearing on behalf of Mr. Journey. Please state your name, Mr. Journey.
Journey.
Your Honor, respectfully, I'd ask the court to allow my client to plead to improper plate, dismissing the allowing unlicensed driver.
Okay. Just a question, I'm not sure. Does it help if he pleads to unlicensed more than, on his driving record versus improper plates, or does that matter?
Well, I think they both do not abstract and it's 0 points.
Okay, what I've noticed, based off of the prosecutor's offers, allowing is a better offer for some reason. You want me to confirm that with the prosecutor?
Sure, Your Honor. It was just my understanding. I could be wrong, but it was my understanding that improper plate does 0 points, does not abstract, and neither does allowing. But if allowing is some other way better than even improper plate, then I definitely would want to double confirm that.
Right. Okay, I'll ask. And Mr. Jones is on the plan. Let's give him a court date because this is a state count, and I can't make an offer on this count.
That's Lewis Jones.
Yeah, Mr. Jones, who is on the plane. And then we'll get back to you, Mr. Journey. Now he doesn't have audio. Okay, well. Attorney Palmer, how about this? We'll do improper plate. Improper plate. And if for some reason when the prosecutor comes in here that allowing an unlicensed driver to drive is better for his driving record, with your permission and Mr. Journey's permission, I will switch the plea over to allowing an unlicensed driver.
Sounds good to me, Your Honor. That's satisfactory to us.
Okay.
Bye.
Mr. Jones?
Yeah.
We're setting a court date for the trial date, okay?
I'm sorry, the phone breaking up.
Yes, because we're on February. February 3rd at 8:30 a.m.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
You too.
Bye-bye.
And Mr. Journey, thank you. Calling case P 970-071, the people versus Alante Levon Journey. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance. Appearance?
Allison from our appearing on behalf of Mr. Journey. Please state your name again for the record, sir.
Say it one more time. I can't hear you.
It's just breaking up a little bit. He said his name. It's just breaking up.
I got to make sure the court reporter can hear him. Mr. Journey, I'm having trouble hearing you. Maybe can you get closer to your device?
Olante Filet?
Yes, I can hear you now. Okay. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth? I can't hear you when you step back from your device. I think your speaker is being blocked at the bottom. Mr. Janae, can you say something so we can see if we can hear you?
I'm here.
Okay. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. Did you ever speak to Attorney Fulmer today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to February 11, 2019, around 3:01 p.m. in the area of Plymouth and Southfield in the city of Detroit. Was a 2004 Cadillac white vehicle registered to your name?
Yes.
And did you fail to have insurance on that vehicle?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor. Oh,
And as we just stated, if for some reason the allowing is a better opportunity for him regarding his driver record, I have permission to switch the plea over to allowing unlicensed driver to drive, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Jonay, I will waive your fines and costs, dismiss. At this time, allowing unlicensed driver to drive count. I will apply your bond, if you posted a bond, to your reinstatement fees and have the balance returned to you in the mail, okay? Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. We're all set. You have a good day.
thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay. Ms. Gia Fletcher. Go ahead and unmute your phone.
All right,
Yep.
I've unmuted.
Okay. This is the people versus Gia Fletcher calling cases SP 1054443. Count 1, violation of basic speed law. Count 2, no receipt of registration. Count 3, no proof of insurance. SP 1054660. Driving while license suspended. SP 364431. Driving while license not valid or proper license. 172312121. No operator's license on person. 173825271. No operator's license on person. And these two are in warrant status. 1455479. Count 1, no insurance. Count 2, failure to display a valid operator's license. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer, playing on behalf of Ms. Fletcher. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Gia Fletcher.
Your Honor, I would ask this honorable court to allow my client to plead to, instead of the driving while license suspended, reduce it to failure to display, reduce one of the no ops to failure to display, and reduce the no proof of insurance to improper plate, and dismiss the improper license, no ops, and driving in an unsafe manner, and no registration.
Okay, there's an offer here for failure to display an improper plate.
We'll take it.
Okay. Ms. Fletcher, I also can dismiss 3 based on officer not appearing today for your formal hearing. And that's on case SP 1054443, counts 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to dismiss those because Officer Aliyah did not show up today for your hearing, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
So, you're welcome. So is it correct, you're going to plead guilty to 2, they're both 0-point offenses, of failure to display a valid operator's license and improper plate?
Okay.
I'm asking you, is that what you're going to plead guilty to?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Fulmer today about your case?
I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Now, are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand, Ms. Fletcher, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, I do.
I'd like to bring your attention to December 1st, 2014, around 4:30 p.m. in the area of Trumbull and Elijah in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 1995 Chevy vehicle without a valid driver's license and without insurance.
Yes.
Satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I will make those amendments to both zero-point offenses and dismiss the remaining counts before the court. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
We stipulate.
Okay, Ms. Fletcher, you've been listening. You know what I'm about to say. I'm waiving your fines and costs. I will apply your bond to your restatement fees and have the balance returned to you in the mail, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, you have a good day.
You too. Take care.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ron, I want to say Jellyfish, but I know that's not right. How do you say your last name?
Jaliffe.
Jellyfish?
Yes.
Calling case X34749999, the people versus Laurence Jaliffe. Count 1, no operator's license. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, furnishing false forged info to a police officer. Appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Mr. Jaliffe. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Laurence Jaliffe.
Your Honor, respectfully, I would ask this honorable court to allow my client to plead to one count of failure to display, reduced from driving while license suspended, a count of improper plate, reduced from no insurance, and dismiss the remaining matters.
Well, the offer here is for failure to display.
We'll take it, Your Honor.
Okay. I also have 2 more cases in here. P157358, driving while license suspended and no insurance, and P463713, driving while license not valid. So the offer will still be the same.
Very well. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Jaliffe, do you want to take that offer to plead guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Fulmer today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring your attention to September 20th, 2015, around 9:34 a.m. in the area of Schoolcraft and Evergreen in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2000 white GMC vehicle without a valid driver's license.
Yes.
Satisfied.
Okay, I will amend the charge to failure to display and dismiss the remaining count before the court. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
We stipulate.
Okay. And as far as bond, did you post the bond at all?
Yes.
Okay, I will apply it to your reinstatement fees and have the balance returned to you in the mail. And I'm also waiving your fines and costs for the count you pled guilty to today, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
No,
All right, you have a good day.
you too.
Thank you, Anna.
Okay, we have one person who checked in late, and we also have Armani Ford Webb. She's only on audio. I'm not sure if you spoke to her yet.
I did.
Okay, I had to verify. She said she had a valid license at the time she was pulled over, but, let's see here. Her license is not valid now because of a case that she didn't handle until September. One second. Sorry.
That's her blessing.
Okay, Ms. Ford Webb, go ahead and unmute your phone.
Hi.
Hello, Ms. Ford Webb. I have a question for you. Do you have any other traffic issues or tickets that you need to take care of outside of 36th District Court?
No,
So you handled everything?
I've handled everything.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is dismiss this matter today. On the date of your offense, you had a valid license. It's suspended at this time. You should not be driving, but if this is the only thing that was holding you up, you can go ahead and move forward with getting your license back in order, okay?
Okay. Could you just tell me, I know you told everyone else, how do I pay my reinstatement fee without going to the Secretary of State?
Did you post a bond on this case?
They only asked for $1.
Okay. So you're gonna have to, I can't apply your bond because it was only $1. So you can go, did you hear me say DivDat? Did you hear me talk to that guy? Did you hear me about DivDat?
Yes, you said it was DIVDAT?
Yes, that's the easiest way. I found it to be easier than the website. Download the app and you can pay your reinstatement fee on there. That's $45 and that goes to the Secretary of State to reinstate your license.
Okay.
So that's it. So let me call your matter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me call your case for the record, okay?
Okay.
Calling case P1052621, the people versus Armani Ford Webb, one count of failure to display a valid operator's license not on person appearance.
Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Ms. Ford Webb. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Armani Duran Ford Webb.
Okay, Ms. Ford Webb, as we just discussed, I'm going to dismiss your matter. All you have to do now is pay your reinstatement fee and set up an appointment with the Secretary of State to get your license reinstated and back in order, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Anna.
Okay, and the last young lady on the phone. What's your name?
Gwendolyn Jackson.
Okay, can I have a breakout room, Your Honor?
Sure. I'm gonna pull a file to make sure the offer is what I think it is.
All right.
And I want to check it too to see if it's anything.
Judge, there's only one printed on the docket, but it's 3 counts. Thank you.
Both of you all are on. So Attorney Fulmer, there's only one on the docket for today, but she has 3 counts. 2 scheduled for 1:30 and 1 scheduled for 8:30 today. So of course, we're gonna print them all out, take care of them today.
Okay,
Give me 1 second, get it printed out.
thank you, Judge.
Okay. Her offer will be in proper place and the other 2 to be dismissed.
Okay, thank you, Anna.